Best folding mobility scooters. In recent years, the demand for folding mobility scooters has surged as more people seek convenient, portable solutions for personal mobility. Whether navigating crowded streets, traveling, or simply enjoying independent movement, quality and durability are crucial. This guide evaluates the type, build quality, design, ease of folding, and overall value of top scooters, helping you choose a model that combines portability with comfort and reliability for everyday use.
Product number 1. Scoot & Go Foldable Mobility Scooter. The Scoot & Go Foldable Mobility Scooter offers a seamless balance of portability and performance. Designed for users who value independence, it features a lightweight frame that folds in seconds without requiring tools. Its durable aluminum construction ensures stability, while the comfortable padded seat and adjustable armrests provide extended comfort during longer trips. The scooter is equipped with a high-capacity battery, delivering a reliable range, making it suitable for daily errands or travel. Its easy-to-use controls and responsive handling make navigation simple, even in tight spaces. With safety features like anti-tip wheels and robust braking, Scoot & Go demonstrates excellent value for its price, making it a top pick for users who prioritize convenience without compromising quality.
Product number 2. iScooter Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The iScooter Foldable Electric Wheelchair doubles as a mobility scooter and a wheelchair, offering versatility for users with varying needs. It folds compactly for storage or transportation, making it ideal for travel. The lightweight yet sturdy frame supports up to 250 pounds, while cushioned seating ensures comfort during extended use. Its smooth electric motor delivers reliable speed and effortless maneuverability across different terrains. The intuitive joystick control and ergonomic design allow users of all experience levels to operate it safely. Additionally, the removable battery pack adds convenience, letting you recharge easily without taking the entire scooter apart. The iScooter combines quality, durability, and portability, making it a solid investment for users seeking both independence and flexibility.
Product number 3. Rylox Foldable 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Rylox Foldable 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter is a compact yet robust solution for everyday mobility. Its 4-wheel design offers excellent stability on uneven surfaces, while the folding mechanism allows for hassle-free transport in vehicles. The scooter features a padded, adjustable seat and swivel function, enhancing comfort and ease of use. With a high-torque motor and long-lasting battery, it handles slopes and longer trips without strain. The intuitive control panel and responsive steering provide a smooth riding experience, while safety features like front and rear lights, anti-tip wheels, and a horn ensure secure navigation. Overall, Rylox delivers premium build quality, portability, and user-friendly operation, making it a great choice for seniors or anyone seeking dependable mobility support.
Product number 4. Super Handy Passport Mobility Scooter for Adults, Foldable. The Super Handy Passport Mobility Scooter is ideal for users who prioritize portability without compromising comfort. This model folds quickly and easily, fitting neatly into car trunks or small storage areas. Despite its compact size, it maintains a solid aluminum frame capable of supporting up to 265 pounds. The scooter comes with comfortable seating, adjustable armrests, and a simple control system that even first-time riders can master. Its battery range is sufficient for most daily errands, and its maneuverability makes it suitable for indoor and outdoor use. With thoughtful safety features and durable tires for smooth rides, the Super Handy Passport provides a practical, reliable, and affordable option for independent mobility on the go.
Product number 5. Move Magic 4-Wheel Electric Mobility Scooter. The Move Magic 4-Wheel Electric Mobility Scooter is designed for users seeking stability, durability, and effortless portability. Its foldable frame allows for easy storage and travel, while the heavy-duty motor ensures smooth rides on diverse surfaces. The comfortable padded seat and adjustable armrests cater to long-distance comfort, while the intuitive joystick provides precise control even in tight spaces. Move Magic includes essential safety features such as anti-tip wheels, bright front and rear lights, and a reliable braking system. With a long-lasting battery and solid build quality, it strikes a perfect balance between convenience, reliability, and performance, making it a top contender for anyone seeking a dependable foldable mobility scooter.